Mama Mia. This is a beautiful day. It's a Sunday evening. We are doing some special barbecue, guys. আমরা বাঙালি barbecue. So what we're gonna do today, basically we are having a kind of sausage, Polish sausage with a beer, and I have not named it yet. আমি এখন এর নাম দেই নাই, তো দেখা যাক কি হয়। প্রথমে I'm just putting a tray, foil tray, আমি এর মধ্যে বাটার দিচ্ছি কারণ way I want to make it doesn't help just putting in the grill directly. Let the butter melt. Come here. We'll show them how it's going on. It's pretty windy today, so it's a little bit hard, but let's see, Mama Mia, how it goes. Let the butter melt. It's about like 2-3 minutes. You have to melt the butter. After a long time we are having so much butter. And the main attractions of this is yet to come. Just pause it for now. Oh, smells so good. Wow, it's so hot.
Careful.
It's a little bit burnt because that's the culprit on the last barbecue. I'm just putting it in the other side for now. Let's see. Let's turn that a little bit down. Okay, ever let's put some ingredients on it. Let's put the onions on it. Fresh chopped onion. Tomra just whatever you like. So maybe I just put one big onion on it. I love onions. Voila. And then I'm going to put capsicums. I am putting the orange capsicums. That's my favorite. You can put green, you can put red, you can put whatever color you have. Just name it.
Alright.
এবার তোমাদের লাগবে বাঙালি প্রিয় রসুন. Just putting some garlic paste on it.
Ginger garlic paste also works.
Ooh, what a smell. Alright. Now, let's cook it a little bit. Just